Here, seventh, cosec A minus sin A into sec A minus cos A is equal to 1 upon tan A plus cot A. Here, first, I will write LHS. LHS cosec A minus sin A into sec A minus cos A. LHS equal to this cosec A and sec A we convert into sin and cos. Therefore, 1 upon cosec A means 1 upon sin A minus sin A upon 1. Cosec A means 1 upon sin A. Same way here, sec A means 1 upon cos A minus this cos A upon 1. Because this is fraction, so we convert this is also in fraction. This is fraction, so we write this is also in fraction form. Therefore, LHS is equal to 1 into 1, 1 minus sin into sin means sin A into sin A, sin square A upon sin A into 1 means sin A into same here 1 into 1, 1 minus cos A into cos A, cos square A upon cos A into 1, cos A. Now here LHS is equal to 1 minus sin square A means cos square A formula and denominator sin A. 1 minus sin square A means cos square A into here 1 minus cos square A means sin square A upon here cos A. Now see this, here cos square A means this square and complete cos A cancelled, this square and this cancelled. Therefore, LHS is equal to cos A into sin A. This is our equation number 1. Now we take RHS. We can prove with the help of this RHS, but that becomes very difficult. So I will show you another simple method. Means by taking RHS equal to 1 upon tan A plus cot A is equal to, see this, 1 upon 1 means 1 upon 1 divided by this denominator. We write this way by using sign of division. Tan A means sin A upon cos A plus formula for tan, then formula for cot, cos A upon sin A. Therefore, RHS is equal to 1 upon 1 divided by sin A into sin A, sin square A plus cos A into cos A, cos square A upon cos A into sin A, cos A into sin A. Therefore, LHS is equal to 1 upon 1 into multiplicative inverse, means division we convert into multiplication by taking denominator at numerator and numerator at denominator. So means cos A into sin A upon sin square A plus cos square A. Therefore, RH is equal to, see, 1 into any number, then that number means cos A into sin A, cos A into sin A upon 1 into sin square A plus cos square A means 1. Sin square A plus cos square A means 1. Therefore, RH is equal to cos A into sin A. This is equation number 1. Therefore, from equations 1 and 2, what is LHS is equal to RHS. See this, LHS cos A sin A, RHS also cos A sin A. This is simple method.